Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Nightfall wrap the streets in deep embrace. Moon reflect a silver face. Me wander gentle through the scene, feeling calm and evergreen. Me hear a quiet rhythm near, soft enough to soothe the ear. A lonely singer hum a line, voice like warm fermented wine. Me stop and listen, let it blend like comfort from a long-time friend. The silence spark with hidden glow, teach me more than words can show. A pot of shape in clay by lamp, hands them steady, room them damp. He tell me why he loved the night, less distraction, more insight. Me watch the vessel take its form, smooth like breeze, firm like storm. He say your soul is same, you see, shape it daily, patiently. Ember in the silence burn, guide me when me heart return. In the stillness light appear, sure the path fi conquer fear. Ember glowing soft but strong, lead me when the road feel long. Hold the warmth, embrace the night, turn the shadows into light. Me walk again through quiet street, barefoot feel the concrete heat. A group of youths writing lines, poems flowing like sacred signs. Them chant about the future's door, dreams them building more and more. Me feel the energy lift the air, hope grow bright everywhere. Midnight breeze sweep through the lane, ease the spirit, rinse the brain. Lanterns sway in gentle arcs, painting warmth across the dark. Me watch the moment settle sweet, like time bow down at me feet. Every ember small but wise, glow forever in the skies. Hold your fire deep within, let the silence make it spin. Every spark you carry through, shine enough to pull you through. Ember in the silence burn, guide me when me heart return. In the stillness light appear, show the path fi conquer fear. Ember glowing soft but strong, lead me when the road feel long. Hold the warmth, embrace the night, turn the shadows into light. So when the world get loud again, find your ember through the strain. In the silence you will see, every light begin with me. Golden trail beneath my feet, morning air so fresh, so sweet. Me step with purpose, eyes ahead, follow where the spirit led. Me walk the path of dusty stone, never truly feel alone. A gentle hum fill up the air, like ancient chorus floating there. Me hum along with steady breath, life itself defeat me death. truth divine. A traveler sit beneath a tree, sketching visions wild and free. He show me portraits of the land, drawn with strong and steady hand. He say, every path reveal a clue, lead you deeper into you. Me nod and share a humble smile, reason with him for a while. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs uplifting heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. Me trod until the noon get high, sunbeams sparkle through the sky. A village rest along the road, people carrying gentle load. Them greet me warm, invite me near, share a melody sincere. We sing together joyful strong, blend the day with healing song. As dusk descend with purple haze, me mind drift off in quiet praise. The path ahead still long and wide, but me feel a peace inside. Lanterns light the winding lane, ease the body, soothe the brain. Me know me journey far from done, still every step bring rising sun. Hold the rhythm as you go, let the radiant wisdom flow. Every step a chance to rise, every breath a new sunrise. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs uplift the heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. So when the doubts cloud up your way, sing your song and light your day. The radiant path will show you through, every note belong to you.
Morning fog around the hilltop slow, bird song scatter like a gentle glow. Me breathing deep the rising day, let nature guide me onward way. Me climb a path with twist and wind, feeling peace inside my mind. Every leaf tell its own tale, soft like breeze, strong like air. Me hear a distant drum beat low, calling hearts for rise and grow. The hillside speaking tone so clear, tell me live true, have no fear. A farmer working in the heat, planting seeds with patient feet. He greet me with a humble smile, say good things always take a while. Me watch him nurture earth with care, love and labor everywhere. His wisdom simple built on years, calm me doubts and hush me fears. Whispers of the hills call strong, teach the spirit right from wrong. Lift we higher every day, show the mind a brighter way. Whispers rising soft and bold, guide the young and bless the old. Carry truth through distant skies, open hearts and clear the eyes. Me sit upon a rock to rest, Sunshine pouring like a blessing pressed. Children run and chase the breeze, laughing loud beneath the trees. Me feel the joy surround the land. Simple moments heal we hand in hand. Me close my eyes and feel the beat. Earth beneath me steady feet. When sunset paint the sky in gold, stories of the day unfold. Villagers share tunes by firelight, singing soft into the night. The harmony soothe every mind, leave every trouble far behind. Me let the warmth calm every thought, and give thanks for lessons life has taught. Rise up slow, rise up free. Let your heart move naturally. Hold the peace you find today, carry it along your way. Oh, whispers of the hills call strong, teach the spirit right from wrong. Lift we higher every day, show the mind a brighter way. Whispers rising soft and bold, guide the young and bless the old. Carry truth through distant skies, open hearts and clear the eyes. So when your mind get lost or still, listen gentle to the hill. Every whisper hold a guide, walk with courage by its side.
Ay, 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 yeah, man. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Ay, 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 ay. Me hear the earth call out me name. Protect the life, protect the flame. Me kneel and touch the holy soil. Bless me tile. The mountains speak, the river cry. Jah creation never lie. Man abuse the gift them get, still Jah not forget. Me chant fi balance and care, clean the air. Me see the forest lose the leaf, world in grief, but love a stronger seed, planted indeed. Me teach the youth to love the land, work with Jah and chant of the earth, sing loud. Lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree, make creation free. Chant of the earth, righteous stone every creature. Jah own, respect the ground we tread, live instead. Oh, me feel the rhythm in the rain, wash away me pain. Thunder roll like Naya bingy drum, better days soon come. Me dance under the open sky, spirit high. Me hear the ancient song again, travel through each vein. It tell me man and earth same one, under Jah sun. So me chant till voice done gone, still live on. Creation singing perfect tone, we never alone. Every wave and every breeze, speak your peace. Oh, chant of the earth, sing loud. Lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree, make creation free. Chant of the earth, righteous stone every creature. Jah own, respect the ground we tread, live instead. Oh, 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 oh.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na. Sunshine drip up on the ground. Life awake in every sound. Me stretch me limbs with gentle ease. Breathe the wisdom of the trees. Me stroll into a garden wide. Color bloom on every side. Each flower tell a sacred tale. Both storms survived and winds that wail. Me kneel and touch the fertile soil. Feel the history of tile. People plant with love and care. Legacy living everywhere. Me meet a youth watering vines. A bright ambition in his lines. He tell me dreams fit grow and rise. Reach the mountain, kiss the skies. Me tell him tend your inner seed. Feed it passion, strength and creed. His eyes light up with fierce delight. Ready for chase the morning light. Garden of rising roots stand tall. Grow through struggle, conquer all. Every stem and every leaf. Teach with power, teach with grief. Garden blooming bold and free. Birth a future we long to see. Rise as roots beneath the sun. Stand united, stand as one. Me pause near trees so old and wide. Their shadows cool and dignified. Them branches hold these songs of time. Echo deep like ancient rhyme. Birds them weave a vibrant tune. Lift the spirit afternoon. Me feel the rhythm fill me chest. Nature giving all its best. Evening glow paint soft design. Gold and amber intertwine. Workers gather, share delight. Reason about the day and night. Me sit and soak the honest air. Blessed for witness love so rare. Roots of unity spread and climb. Link each person through all time. Nurture what you wish to grow. Give it sunshine, let it flow. Every root hold future bright. Deep beneath the earth's insight. Garden of rising roots stand tall. Grow through struggle, conquer all. Every stem and every leaf. Teach with power, teach with grief. Garden blooming bold and free. Birth a future we long to see. Rise as roots beneath the sun. Stand united, stand as one. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. And when life feel torn or mute, return again to rising root. There you'll find renewed embrace, strength to carry every pace.
Na 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 na. Zion reggae, yeah man. Shine so bright it blind the night. Light of Zion, pure and right. No lamp of man, no sun can show. Like the light, Jah let it glow. It pierced the dark, it healed the blind. It lift the heart, it free the mind. Forever burning, never gone. Light of Zion, shining strong. Light of Zion, bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you.
stand, no fear remain. Light of Zion, heal the pain. It shine from root, it shine from crown. Lift the weary who are down. It glowing temple, glowing street. It light the song with holy beat. It show the truth, it show the lie. Light of Zion never die. Every spark a promise made, every shine a prayer said. It bless the weak, it guard the strong. Light of Zion, lead along. Me see it in the morning sun, me see it when the day is done. It guide me dream, it keep me near. Light of Zion, banish fear. It wrap the world in golden flame. It call the people, judge your name. Every soul it shine upon. Light of Zion, carry on. When the trumpet sound in sky, light of Zion never die. It burn forever, bright and clear. Keep the faithful always near. From dawn of time to final day, light of Jah forever stay. Shine eternal, shine divine. Light of Zion always mine. Shine bright, shine tall. Light of Zion bless us all. No cloud, no storm can dim the flame. Light of Jah forever same. Light of Zion bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah forever stay. From root to crown, from dusk to dawn. Light of Zion, carry on. Na 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 na. Zion Reggae, yeah, man.
Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom let me roll, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong. Me sing my righteous song. Me see the people search for peace. Them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight. Just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain. Wash away the pain. No man can dim me flame. Me call your name. One step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. no obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal, every chant, every cry. Lift me high, the journey long but near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give thanks. No fear in the wrong. So one step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through.
Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless the people, man. Heart of a lion beat inside. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll, echo through me soul. Me stand against Babylon wall, still me not fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum, Jah kingdom come. Lion heart beat, strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heart beat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand, protected by Jah hand. Me hold my faith when night fall, hear Jah call. Me feel the beat within the ground, ancient holy sound. It guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend, no break. Love awake, courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Yeah, lion heart beat, strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear, Jah always near. Lion heart beat, never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Lion heart beat till the end. Love me defend. Me soul roaring Zion song, forever strong.
Zion a go, Zion yeah. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. In the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but your light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith in a me heart, your love me seal. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb in a me pipe, meditation suit. Your guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jaja ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me not shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb in a me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. In a this life, me not feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon not stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The Lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. In a the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop. How the Lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah Lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb in a me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the Lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah in a me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb in a the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever Lion strong, we keep it clean.
Yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah, man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame, Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame, me rise again. Me see the storm pass by, Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong, me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain, it bring the rain. From the seed of sorrow bloom, new life consume, yeah. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade. New world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all. Every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite. Me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith. Never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach we how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade. Zion is so high, man. When the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. Lightning strike the iron wall, thunder sound the righteous call. No more crown upon false head, no more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise, thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak, thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drumming rhythm strong, carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar, thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth revealed, Babylon kingdom now unsealed. Hear the trumpet, hear the cry, Babylon too are start to die. Thunder roll across the sea, calling out to set them free. Every elder lift a hand, see the judgment flood the land. Lightning paint the sky so wide, Zion people stand with pride. Not by anger, not by sword, thunder bring the living word. Mighty sound of Jah give clear, freedom rising everywhere. Nation bow, nation sing, thunder call for righteous king. Babylon wall fall to dust, thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry, shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall, thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon, break the chain, wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain, thunder call again, again. Forever roaring, mighty strong, thunder sing Jah holy song. La 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 la.
Ay, 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 ganja and Zion reggae, yeah, man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light Jahan unfold. Rise up on the mountain crest, give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new, crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more chain, morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone, crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face, morning crown restore the grace. Every step a holy song, light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall, morning crown redeem them all. River shine with golden flame, birds of Zion call Jah name. City wall no longer high, morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lay the weapon down, rise instead fi wear the crown. Glorious fire pure and bright, crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land, morning crown by Jahan. Generation standing up, come again. Morning crown remain the same. Light eternal never fade. By Jah power it was made. Every nation bow and see. Morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim. Crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near. Morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame, crown of glory, Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night, morning crown, bring the light. Glow, glow, never cease, crown of light, declare the peace. A crown of morning light, bold and true. Guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall. Crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright. Crown of Zion, morning light. On the mountain, in the plain. Morning crown, forever real. Shine, 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 shine,
and meditate on the river Yama. Me look up and see Jah sign. Fire blaze, spirit divine. Thunder roll and lightning sing. Truth come with everything. Me walk through the fire unafraid. Jah shield never fade. Babylon crumble, lies fall down. Truth wear the crown. Me chant for mercy, chant for grace. See Jah light in every face. The wind carry message wide. Rasta guide. Me see the elders tell the youth, hold fast to Jah truth. No riches, fame or vanity can touch Jah family. Me stand firm on holy ground. Me spirit profound. The thunder voice me call one love for all. We in another sky. Jah light never die. One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes. Burn away the light. Fire in the sky. Me see the people wake again. Love replace the pain. Me feel the power, me feel the song. Justice come all along. Me chant for freedom, chant for life. End our strife. Me watch the sunrise paint the sea. Peace around me naturally. Me hold the chalice, me give thanks. Jah fill me spiritual tanks. Me see the prophecy come true. Jah live in me and you. Me no bow, me no kneel. Jah fire me shield. Me walk through the flame and call Jah name. We are under the sky. Jah light never die. One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes. Burn away the light. Fire in the sky. So when the night come down, lift your eyes from ground. Jah flame forever high. Fire in the sky. We ain't in the sky. We ain't in the sky.
Flow river,
Grandja.
ay 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah man. Me wake beside the river flow, hear Jah calling soft and low. Me wash me hand, me cleanse me mind, leave the dark behind. Every ripple tell me truth, every drop hold Jah proof. Life a circle never done, one by one. Me walk through valley, through the rain, every trial, every pain, but the river never dry. It teach me how to try. Babylon wall soon tumble down, Jah wear the crown. Me heart beat steady in the tide, love can't hide. Me see the people thirst for peace, them spirit need release. Them search the world for silver gain, but only love remove the chain. Me sing for the ones who feel alone, Jah prepare them throne. River whisper ancient song, keep me strong. Oh Tao, flow river of light, flow free, carry Jah grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt, let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright, heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Me rest me ear pan water sound, wisdom deep and profound. It tell me life a sacred chance, every breath a dance. The elder smile, the youth rejoice, nature give them voice. Me learn from the river still, to follow Jah will. Me no own the stream me see, it flow through every tree. It carries story, joy and pain, circle back again, like the tide that kiss the shore. Jah open every door. Me live in balance, live in peace. Me soul release. Me no fight the current flow. Me let the spirit show, from mountain top to valley deep. Jah promise keep. River sing for every land. Bless the heart, bless the hand. Hey Tao, flow river of light, flow free, carry Jah grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt, let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright, heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Hey, flow river never cease, bring the world to peace. Me fade into the golden gleam, life just like a dream. River of light, carry me home, Jah make me home. Na 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 Zion reggae, yeah man. Ooh, oh, before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground, hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below, truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity,
pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let your power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up some for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth nah decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots, soul true, storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long, from generation to generation. Same foundation. Roots of the dawn, rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. When the night come, creep again. Me call your name. Roots of the dawn forever grow. Me soul know. No. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. In the circle, gather round. Roots of the drum, shake the ground. Heartbeat rhythm, ancient tone. Carved in wood, eternal stone. Every strike a sacred flame. Every beat exalt your name. From the forest, from the earth, drum proclaim the holy birth.
Voices rise in harmony. Drum beat set the spirit free.
Not of weapon, not of war. Drum unite the near and far. Call the people, guide them way. Roots of drum still play today. Sound eternal, sound divine. Drum a lifeline every time. Drum. Drum. Dance begin, the circle wide. Drum connect them side by side. Suffer a smile, warrior sing. Roots of drum a holy thing. Through the desert, through the rain. Drum repeat the ancient strain. Generations carry strong. Drum beat write the timeless song.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum eternal sign.
Every echo tell the tale. Truth of Zion must prevail. Roots unbroken, pure and true. Drum remind what people knew.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum eternal sign.
Steady flow, roots of drum forever grow.
of drum for unity.
Big spliff and coconut your man. Under the rising sun me pray for better youth and brighter day. Jah light guide every soul, unity the goal. Me walk through the street, me see the pain. People tired of Babylon chain. Me chant a song for the youth, them strong. Jah lead them where them belong. Me see the roots start grow again. Love wash away the sin. Every heartbeat same time. Jah rhythm so divine. Me feel the breeze of ancient song. Remind me where we belong. No matter color, creed or place, all share Jah grace. Me plant the seed, me nurture peace, till hate and greed release. Every voice become a drum till redemption come. Roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me see the youths them stand and smile. Strength and hope for every mile. Them eyes reflect the future clear. No more pain, no fear. Me chant for justice, me chant for truth. Jah wisdom bless the youth. Me hold the torch for the next one till the healing done. Roots musician beat the drum. Better days soon come. Freedom spirit start to bloom. No more doom. Me plant the tree of love, me know. It grow where rivers flow. No system can erase the roots of Jah grace. Roots of tomorrow grow. Plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, ah yeah, yeah, yeah. So when the storm try break the ground, remember our roots song. Deep in earth them never die. Jah keep them high.
Zion reggae, yeah, man. Iron mighty, strong and sure, throne of Zion, ever pure. Not of silver, not of gold, but of love from days of old. Upon it sit the King of peace. Justice flow and war must cease. Every heart bow down and pray. Throne of Zion guide the way.
Throne of Zion shine for you. It judge with love, it judge with care. No injustice enter there. It raise the meek, it lift the low. Throne of Zion always show. Every law is carved in light. Every truth is burning bright. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Jah forever strong. Me dream at night, me vision clear. Throne of Zion always near. It called the tribe to walk upright, to keep Jah law both day and night. It bless the elder, bless the youth, guide them forward into truth. Every step the people take, Throne of Zion pathway make. When the trumpet sound on high, Throne of Zion fill the sky. Every knee shall bow in love. Throne of Jah from heaven above. From first to last, from now to end. Throne of Zion never friend. Glory shine, no shadow fall. Throne of Jah is over all. Stand tall, don't fall. Throne of Zion rule them all. No king of earth, no crown of clay. Jah alone have throne fi stay. Throne of Zion bright and high.